I'm Duchess.
I'm Mimi.
And we're Dutchess and Mimi. And it's August and it's hot, and all we're thinking about is spending time with our grandchildren.
It's a great time of the year to do that, Roberta. The kids are off school, so right now we have our grandkids visiting us.
I know, and we just did a commercial this morning. Turned out so cute, so everybody be watching for it. It's Sullivan and Carolee did a great job for 6 and 7 years old.
Well, let's show you a little bit about what they did.
Ready, set, go.
I'm Duchess.
I'm Mimi.
And we're Dutchess and Mimi. And we're getting older.
And we're starting to think about our grandmother names.
I would like my grandmother name to be Duchess because I love my Dutchie.
I want my grandmother name to be Mimi because I love my Mimi.
And I'll be the bougie personality.
I'll be the fancy personality.
And we even have our own perfumes. I'm Duchess.
I'm Mimi.
And we're Dutchess and Mimi. Made with heart,
crowned with love.
Great job!
That was awesome.
That was pretty good.
That was fun.
Of course, they had to mention that we have our own fragrance. We both launched our fragrances this summer, and they love them, so they want to have their own now.
And then Roberta's bougie and I'm fancy, so we had to include that too.
We had a lot of fun with it.
Well, we got a lot of things coming in because we went to market. We're looking forward to seeing all this stuff come together. We plan it out, but you never know how it's going to work.
Yeah, it always is a little different, but we've got beautiful pumpkins, berries, gourds,
Wreaths.
leaves.
Also, pretty ribbon.
Oh, beautiful ribbon and some beautiful doormats. You know, we always like to freshen up that doormat every season. And then we'll be transitioning straight on into Christmas. So it won't be long. The weather's going to start to cool off, and we're going to get back to work after we have a little bit of fun with our grandchildren. So thank you all for visiting with us, and come down to 620 Ohio and see our studio. I'm Duchess.
I'm Mimi.
And we're Dutchess and Mimi. What's your grandmother name?
I'm Duchess.
I'm Mimi.
And we're Dutchess and Mimi. And we're starting to get older.
And we're starting to think about our grandmother names.
I would like my grandmother name to be Duchess because I love my Dutchie.
I want my grandmother name to be Mimi because I love my Mimi.
I'll be the bougie personality.
I'll be the fancy personality.
I'm Duchess.
I'm Mimi.
And we're Dutchess and Mimi. Made with heart,
proud with love.